Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 12 Feb 2022. Today's Viva topic name is Life Cycle of the Object in Java Programming. So, I am explain the life cycle of the object. In Java programming language, the life cycle of the object is a very important part of Java programming. It is included in programming. Then the life cycle of object are divided into mainly three stages. First one is a birth, second one is a life, and third one is a death. So first is a birth. Birth is a created new object in programming. The new object are created in programming by using the new keyword, and new keyword are included in heap memory of Java programming. Then object has four steps. First one is a creation, second one is a initialization, third one is a calling, and last one is a destruction. Then we discuss about what is object. In Java programming language, object is a instance of a class. Then object is a real world entity of programming language and programming world in Java programming. Then object is a stored heap memory in heap memory. Then it has state it has static, identify, and behavior in programming. Why object are used in Java programming? Then reasons. Java is a object-oriented programming language. In programming language, the objects are used in data in programming. Then third one is the object are stored data in temporary in programming language. The object has life cycle of object. Then methods are used in object, like as a new keyword, then colon, then factory are used in programming language. The object are also used in various types of programming. The object are declared in main method of programming. Its name is user are created. For example, class CL is equals to new, then class name, curly bracket open close, then semicolon. The CL is a object in this programming. CL are calling the methods of programming language. Then life cycle of the object are included in Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine are divided into mainly three parts. First one is a class loader. Second one is a memory area, and last one is a execution engine. I explain one by one. First one is a class loader. The class loader are divided into mainly three parts. First one is a loading, linking, and last one is a initialization. There are three subparts of class loaders. Then class loaders are used in programming. The loading class are loading class loader are used to load the program in our Java virtual machine. Then loading, then linking is a link the program of programming in the JVM. Then initialization process are is a divided into two parts. First one is static. It is checking the method are static or not. Then second, memory area. The memory area are also included in divided into 5 parts. First one is a memory area. First one is a memory area. Then object memory area. Memory area. Then PC register. PC register and native methods are also included in memory area. Then third one is a execution engine. Execution engine is a very important part of Java programming. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.